This is the game changer! Yan ang batikang claim ngayon ng Cherry Mobile sa kanilang pinaka-latest at pinakamalupit na spec daw ng kanilang brand, ang Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Okay? Sa halagang 3,999 pesos lang! Okay, subaybay natin, tingnan po natin ang masusunod na video about this gadget. Pero bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, samahan nyo akong i-click ang subscribe button, bell icon to continue to receive all weekly tech gadgets review with VNfatBIKER. Wait, there's more! Tuloy-tuloy po ninyong panoorin ang buong video ng Cherry Mobile at bandang huli po may bonus topic po ako, ang pinaka-latest na cellphone around the world with back-to-back 360 LCD side-to-side, kahit anong tawagin po ninyo. Tingnan po natin kung anong brand yun, saan mabibili, at ano ang itsura nun. Ito ba'y totoo o flop lang? Okay, let's get it on, guys!
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hello guys, this is VNfatBIKER. So let's start unboxing this one, the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Okay, the game changer. Okay, as per claimed by Cherry Mobile, ito na yung pinaka-latest at high spec nila. Okay, let's check what's inside now. Let's open up. Okay. At the back, initial check, dual camera and LED. Okay, dual SIM capable, SD card expansion. This one is also for the fingerprint scanning. Okay, model. Okay, it's all original po. Okay, the outside, I mean the front, you also have the front camera. Okay, quick spec review. Nakalagay po dito, this is already Android 9 Pie. Okay, Android 9 Pie already. Okay, Octa core processor, 2.0 gigahertz. Okay, 6.2 LCD HD display. Wow. Dual camera. Okay, dual camera. Okay, this one 13 megapixel and additional 2 megapixel camera in the rear, at the back side of your camera. Okay, and at the selfie camera side in front, dito po, ito po ay 13 megapixel. Okay, selfie camera. Okay, magsawa po kayo kasi selfie. It has a 32 gig ROM and 3 gig RAM. So Not bad for 3,999. So, pang gaming na rin siya. So, I'm sure no lagging na yan. Okay? But we will check this one once after 3 months use. Kung talaga may problemang mangyayari. Dual nano SIM card. Gaya ko sabi kanina. Dual SIM siya. And the best thing is fingerprint scan. Okay? Fingerprint scan capability. Okay? So, the color that we have bought or for review is this blue-green. So, parang nagbabago siya pag tinatamaan ng ilaw. Okay? Blue-green. Okay. Okay. So, later, check natin yung gano'ng kabilis yung power up niya. How many seconds. Okay? Check natin kung gano'ng kabilis. Let's check other item inside. Okay. Of course, molded foam, basic manual or starter guide. Okay, what is flare S8, all the buttons. Free. Okay. There is a free housing na rin po, silicone case, so don't buy, kasama na po sa package sa 3,999. At meron po siya sa loob na okay, wall charger, USB type. At of course may headset na rin po kasama. Okay, headset. At USB. Okay. This one still using the micro USB pa rin po tayo. Okay. So, hindi pa siya Type-C. Not Type-C yet. Unlike other latest gadget, latest phone o smartphone, naka Type-C na siya. Ito, still using the standard micro USB. Okay, and at higit sa lahat, ang pinakamalapit, walang kamatayang panundot kasama. Okay, so that is all the item inside. So one thing more is let's try to power on. So kung gaano kabilis. Saan ba power on na ito? Ito. Okay. How many seconds? Seven, 8, 9. So around 9 to 10 or 8 to 9 seconds from power on, pagka power on mo, and then going to the menu. Okay, so not bad for 3,999. Okay, so now, so that's what's inside. This is the face of the 6.2 display Cherry Mobile Flare S8. So let's go. Okay, let's go with the B-roll. Yeah.